back to my channel. Today I'm preparing for you this incredibly unique and out of this world Guava tres leches cake. I'm starting off here with a white cake mix. I'm adding some guava nectar and 3 egg whites with some coconut oil. The complete recipe is always listed down below in the description box, guys. Don't forget. Now I'm adding some pink food coloring just to make this a pretty guava color, but I have used strawberry cake mix in the past as well. You have to have fun with this recipe. I mean, switch up the flavors. This recipe, it's unique like you. Now, if it's your first time here on my channel, be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you won't miss out on my weekly videos. Pour the batter into your prepared cake pans and bake it for around 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now for the heavenly 3 milks mixture that's going to be saturated into this cake, you'll need a can of evaporated milk, a can of crema media, and of course that sweetened condensed milk. Here I have some guava paste. If you're unable to find this, you can substitute this for guava jelly. I'm adding about 4 ounces and blending it with the milks. Color it if you please. And this mixture was a little thick, so I went in with about ½ a cup of milk just to thin it out a bit. Once the cake is ready, allow it to fully cool on the rack, and in the meantime, you can prepare that heavy whipping cream with some powdered sugar and vanilla. Give it a whip on high until nice stiff peaks form, and it's finally time to assemble this cake. Now, usually I would just keep the cake in the pan, but just for you guys, I wanted to make a pretty presentation, so I cleaned up the sides a bit, straightened out the edges. You're gonna poke a bunch of holes over the cake to make it extra spongy, and very slowly pour half of that milk mixture over the first layer. Add a generous layer of that whipped cream and repeat the process. As this cake sits in the fridge, it only gets better, so make this up to 2 days ahead and play around with the different flavor varieties. One of the reasons why baking is so much fun. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried it out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes. All of them always, and I mean always, with a unique twist.